What if two powerful deities from ancient Hindu mythology faced off in an epic battle? Sounds intriguing, right? Today we are diving deep into the clash between Kali and Kalki, two iconic figures from Hinduism, whose stories have captivated believers for centuries. Who would emerge victorious in this cosmic showdown? Trust me, you won't want to miss this exploration of ancient myth and its relevance today. Let's get to know our contenders. First, we have Kali, the fierce goddess of destruction, who is as revered as she is feared. Kali embodies chaos, power, and transformation, fighting against the evil forces that plague the world. She is the protector of the righteous, and her wrath is unleashed when darkness seeks to overwhelm light. She stands as a reminder that sometimes destruction is necessary for creation. On the other side, we have Kalki, the prophesied 10th avatar of Vishnu, an embodiment of hope and righteousness in Hinduism. According to ancient texts, Kalki is destined to appear at the end of Kali Yuga, the current age of decline and moral degradation, to restore balance and order to the world. Riding a white horse and wielding a sword of divine energy, Kalki Avatar represents the ultimate force of good, set to bring about a new era of peace and justice. These two deities symbolize not just cosmic forces, but the eternal battle between good and evil. As we delve deeper into their mythological significance, we'll see how their lessons are more relevant to our lives today than ever before. Now let's talk about the real challenge here. What do Kali and Kalki symbolize in today's world? Kali represents the fierce energy required to combat ignorance, injustice, and corruption. She embodies the power to break down the old and oppressive structures that no longer serve humanity. In Hinduism, she is often depicted as wearing a necklace of skulls, symbolizing her role as the destroyer of ego and illusion. In the modern world, Kali resonates with the need to confront and dismantle systems of injustice, empowering us to embrace transformation, no matter how chaotic it may seem. On the flip side, Kalki Avatar stands as a beacon of hope for the future. He is the embodiment of restoration, destined to appear when the world is at its worst, to restore righteousness and bring peace. Kalki's prophesied arrival in Hindu mythology gives humanity a message of perseverance, that no matter how dark the times may become, salvation will come. The concept of Kalki mirrors today's struggle against global crises such as climate change, social inequality, and rising conflicts. In a time when despair can feel overwhelming, Kalki offers the promise of renewal. So, what happens when these two powerful forces collide? In a world constantly balancing between chaos and order, destruction and renewal, the battle between Kali and Kalki becomes more than just myth. It becomes a powerful metaphor for the ongoing struggles we face every day. Let's dive deeper into the characteristics of Kali and Kalki Avatar. Kali, the dark and fierce goddess, is often portrayed with her tongue sticking out, standing over the body of Lord Shiva. Her wild, disheveled appearance and garland of skulls emphasize her role as the ultimate destroyer of evil. But beneath her fearsome exterior, Kali represents the power of transformation. She doesn't destroy for destruction's sake. She clears away the old to make way for the new. Kali teaches us to confront our deepest fears and darkest emotions, to tear down the ignorance and illusions that hold us back. In contrast, Kalki, the 10th avatar of Vishnu, is often depicted riding a white horse and brandishing a blazing sword. His role is to arrive at the end of the Kali Yuga, the era of decline and corruption, and to wipe out evil, ushering in a new cycle of creation. Kalki's mission is not just to fight external forces of darkness, but to restore Dharma, the cosmic order. His sword represents divine truth and justice, cutting through the illusions and falsehoods that dominate this age of spiritual decline. Kalki symbolizes the triumph of righteousness and the belief that, no matter how deep the chaos, order and peace will eventually prevail. Both Kali and Kalki serve as potent reminders in Hinduism that destruction and creation are two sides of the same coin. They show us that we all possess the power to both break down and build up, to be both destroyers and creators in our own lives. Their stories illustrate the cyclical nature of time and existence, where every ending leads to a new beginning, and every struggle ultimately gives rise to renewal. Imagine a world on the brink of total collapse. Corruption, ignorance, and malevolence have spread like wildfire, consuming everything in their path. This is the Kali Yuga, the darkest age of humanity. Suddenly, from the depths of the cosmic ether, Kali emerges, her fierce energy electrifying the atmosphere. With a scream that echoes through the universe, she begins tearing down the structures of oppression and evil. But just when it seems that chaos may overwhelm all, the sky splits open, and Kalki Avatar descends from the heavens. Riding his majestic white horse, Kalki wields his sword of divine justice, cutting through the darkness with precision and righteousness. The ground trembles as the two forces clash, each representing a different facet of cosmic power. Kali's wild and untamed energy meets Kalki's calculated and focused fury. The battle shakes the very foundations of existence, but it is more than just a physical confrontation. This is a cosmic struggle between order and chaos, destruction and renewal. Who will emerge victorious? Will Kali's destructive power pave the way for something new, or will Kalki's divine intervention bring about the restoration of order? This is the eternal question that looms large, not just in mythology but in the ongoing battle between good and evil that we witness every day. To wrap it up, Kali and Kalki are far more than just figures from ancient Hindu mythology. They are symbolic representations of the eternal forces that shape our world: destruction and renewal, chaos and order, darkness and light. Kali teaches us the power of facing our inner and outer demons, breaking down the old to make way for the new. Kalki Avatar, on the other hand, represents hope, the promise that no matter how dark the times may become, righteousness will ultimately prevail. Together, they remind us that the battle between good and evil is ongoing. And though darkness may rise, light will always find a way to break through. Now, I want to hear from you. Who do you think would win in this epic battle, Kali or Kalki? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into Hindu mythology, be sure to check out my other videos where we explore more fascinating stories and lessons from ancient Indian culture. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic content. See you next time.